I'm Parker Brewer, and I follow the roads less traveled. I like my mountains rugged and my waterfalls refreshingly frigid. Subscribe and come along with me on the adventure.
Dudes who had paraplegia and stuff.
Alright guys, so I'm off on another adventure. Surprise vlog, because I didn't really know if I was going to be able to do this one or not, but we made it happen in the end. The weather worked for us, and we're going fly fishing on the South Holston River, which is world-class fly fishing. So we're super excited, gonna look for some massive wild brown trout, and just kind of see what happens. It's a kind of an overcast, chilly day, so we're expecting there to be some interesting kind of hatches and maybe some big fish biting. We're excited.